written grievances regarding this particular jetty to me almost a month back. I promised them to come and visit and have an inspection of the particular site and then take into consideration whatever we can do at this level. So I've come here today to inspect this place, and this is the first time that I visited the site also. So let us see what we can do from our side.
So as you
With this particular jetty which is under consideration, and we've also presented that particular project to MPT. I think everybody here is also aware of this particular project. So, but however, the proposal has to be submitted to Government of India, and then only can we say that we will be able to go ahead with that project. So let us see where.
ॲक्च्युली आम्ही डायरेक्टराक आपयला ते न्यू चार्ज घेयला ते खबर ना आमचे प्रॉब्लम मोस्टली आमचे डिफिकल्टीज दाखोवपाक ते एक आपयला कितें प्रॉब्लम फेस जाता तें एक्सटेंशन करपाचें एक प्रॉमीस दिलोलें आमकां वाडोवपाचें थिंगा आनी प्लॅन बी आमकां दाखयलोलें एज अ फ्लोटींग जेट्टी म्हूण तेजेंय कांय जावं ना. सो म्हाजें एक कितें म्हणणें आहा एवरी टायम कितें एक्सटेंशन टेम्पररी करपाक कोत्ता प्रॉब्लम येता फायनान्साचो. सो म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट कितें आहा की टेम्पररीच कर आमकां व्हडलें चड बजटान न्हू लो बजटान धरून कित्याक मातसो पासून आमकां एक्सटेंशन दिलें एक रिलीफ केसो बोटकारांक कित्याक एवरी नाव एंड देन आमची मदें लफडी जाता बोटी येयली जाल्यार नुस्तें येयल्यार देंवपाक त्रास जाता नुस्तें पेड्यार जाता मागीर बोटी एकमेकाक लागून डॅमेज जाता. तुमी चोयलें आसतलें थिंगा कितले फेस जाता तें आनी हे सिट्युएशनान फिशींगाचें इतलें बॅड हा सिट्युएशन सिजन इतलो बॅड येयलोलो आहा तितून प्रॉब्लम प्लस जे वेट रिएम्बर्स मेळटाले तेवूय बंद जालें. सो अशें इतल्याक पावले आमी बोटकार येत हितून आमकां दिसता कोणेंय एक गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां हात दिवन वयर काडचो कसो. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमचेर हांव नको गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक म्हूण अशें इतलें हें करता तेणी एक मुखार सरोन आमकां हेल्प कर कित्याक वी आर द ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन. माय पायचो धंदो आमी मुखार रावं नाका आमकोण आनीक चलोवपा जातलो काय बट माय पायचो धंदो आमी चलयताय वो वाडयताय बट ना हेल्प ना ताकद ना वाडोवपाक करपाक तिगाच उरलोल्या शिरकोन उरलोल्या. सो ही आयज आमी मॅडमीक आपयलें दाखोवपाक की जाता जाल्यार कितेंय तर आमकां हेल्प कर एक टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी ना ती करून दिया.
Problem here, we cannot alongside, cannot bring all the boats on the fishing jetty. In one time we can only bring a 10 or 12 boats because there is a bigger boats now, man, and the wooden boats are getting a damage. So my humble request I have showed her also, this is the problem because we are the fishermen, we are the owner, we are fighting among us. So I don't want that our people, my friends, boat owners, they should not fight among us. So at least government in this condition, at least the government should do and help us something. So my full hope is there on fishery director. Since madam has visited our fishing jetty, I think that's some positive thing is going on here. We are very happy because since she has taken a charge as a director of fisheries and she has taken a good initiative. That's what I could say, and I will say thank you for her visiting on my fishing jetty, and I have a full faith that definitely she will do because she knows because I have already mentioned to her that is the government have spent a lot of money in a Betul jetty and they have a huge place there. My government have spent a lot of money in the Malim jetty also. Government have spent the money in the Kortalim jetty also. Government spend the money in other jetties also. But only I have put up to madam. I said that why the government is not spending money on this Vastu jetty. Madam, we don't want to wait till the MPT who gives a new jetty. Madam, I think it will not happen because why? There are a lot of problems. If another 1 year goes, then will be lot of problems.